In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the filter in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, automated workflow so important emails land where you want them every time. Start in your Proton Mail inbox. At the top right, open the toggle settings icon to reveal quick options. Then choose all settings to jump into the full settings area. On the left sidebar, open filters. Here's where all your rules live. Click Add Filter. Give your filter a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it later, and select Next. You'll land on the conditions screen. This is where you define what kind of messages the filter should catch. Look for the statement setting that controls how multiple rules interact. Choose whether the filter should run if all conditions are true, or if any single condition matches. All is strict and great for highly targeted rules. Any is flexible and catches a broader set of messages. Now, build your first condition. Click the first field and select the subject to target words in the email subject line. In the next field, choose Contains, which looks for the text you specify anywhere in the subject. Type your keyword or phrase in the text box, then click Insert to add that condition to the rule. Keep your phrase specific enough to avoid false matches. When your conditions look right, click Next. On the action screen, decide what should happen to matching emails. You can label as to color code and organize, move to send mail straight into a folder, or mark as to flag messages automatically. For this example, choose Send Auto Reply. Type the message that recipients should receive, keep it clear, professional, and relevant to why the filter triggered, then click Save. That's it. Your filter is now active and will handle incoming mail based on the rules you set. You can return to the filters page anytime to edit, reorder, or pause it. With thoughtful names, precise conditions, and the right actions, Proton Mail filters keep your inbox focused and your responses consistent, all with minimal effort.